In this video, I will show you how to synchronize multiple videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. The reason for multi-camera shooting or a single camera and screen recording may vary from person to person. But in my case, I usually record from this camera, and in the meanwhile, my computer is recording my screen. I use this microphone to record my voice on the computer, and camera is recording voice independently. Whenever I start editing my videos, I need to sync up my preferred voice with my visuals and my visuals with whatever is happening on the screen. So it's like a triangle I need to synchronize every time. Anyways, let's get started. Import your files in Premiere Pro and drag them on the timeline. Let's bring in the next video. One quick tip here is to bring the files in here in the raw form. Do not edit them before bringing them in here, because if you do, some part of the video will sync up and some part will not. And we do not want this to happen. It will mess you up. Now click and drag to select all the tracks, 2 or more, whatever number you have, it doesn't matter. And the first thing I want to do is to just push them away from the start, just to give them some room to adjust. Now right click and synchronize. And make sure this audio is selected here. Hit OK. It's gonna take a few moments. And apparently it's taking more than just a few moments. I am just fast forwarding it. And voila, it's done. Our tracks are synchronized now. I want this track on the top. I'll just drag it up. Now let me just decrease the size of these visuals so that you can see what's going on. Let's just scale it a bit down and let's just move it to the side, just like I do with most of my videos. Now you guys can see what's going on in the background and what's going on with the visuals. Now let's test it out. The same technique will work if you want to align images on vertical axis as well. For this particular image, we are going to align it on horizontal axis, and then we will take care of the empty edges in the easiest possible way. If we simply rotate this image, it will be hard to find the perfect balance in alignment. So we will use a built-in tool for this purpose. So without any delay, let's get started. Open up your image in Photoshop. If you want to download this image and follow along, check the link in the description. Now that we have opened it, the first thing I like to do is to unlock this layer by pressing this lock icon. Now from the left sidebar, let's go to Crop Tool. Crop Tool. And now you see this icon here, this straighten icon. Alright, I think you have seen enough and it's working. Actually, this is a raw video. I have to cut out some parts where I just messed up. So don't worry about that. And with this done, it's time to wrap up this video. I hope you liked it. If so, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button below this video. And for it's free, just give it a try and hit that red subscribe button and ring the bell. It will help us both. Me creating new videos and you building new skills by watching those videos. And with this action you have just taken, YouTube will make sure it happens. See you in another video of mine. Until then, take care and goodbye.